Well, this is embarrassing. I just realized that I have never shown you how to make my favorite keto blueberry muffins. So we're gonna correct that mistake right now. So what makes these the best keto blueberry muffins you've ever had? I think it's a combination of factors. For one thing, I use yogurt in the batter instead of oil or butter. It makes them super tender. Secondly, they are bursting with fresh, juicy berries. And finally, I whip up the batter in my blender, which makes it extra fluffy. Let me show you how easy they are to make. We'll start by adding our wet ingredients to a blender. So I've got 5 ounces of Greek yogurt here, and you can use plain or vanilla. Then we'll add 3 large eggs. Then I'm adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And blend that up for a few seconds until it's nice and smooth. Now we can add our dry ingredients, which includes 2½ cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of whey protein powder, 1/3 cup of sweetener, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we're going to blend that up again until the batter is nice and smooth and fluffy. Now take a moment to scrape down the sides of the blender to make sure everything is mixing in properly. Now we can add our blueberries right into the batter in the blender. But I always like to hold back a few for the tops of the muffins. Now stir them in by hand until they're nicely distributed throughout the batter. Divide the batter among 12 muffin cups that are lined with either silicone liners or parchment paper. I like using a large cookie scoop to do this because it's far less messy, and 1 scoop is just about the right amount of batter. Now we can add a few more berries to the tops of each muffin, and we're ready to get baking. The muffins go in at 325 for 25 to 30 minutes. They're done when they're a beautiful golden brown and they are just firm to the touch on top. Okay, one last little tip I want to give you is to not wait too long. If you bake them in silicone, don't wait too long to take them out of the silicone liners. They do start to stick again, and this guy I left for a little too long and he broke in half on me. Still tastes good. And there you go, my friends. The best fluffy, light, delicious keto blueberry muffins. Let's break one open and give it a taste. Oh, look at this. You can see it's bursting with blueberries in there. Look at that wonderful, light, fluffy muffin. You honestly won't taste anything better, keto or not. For this delicious keto recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com. Yummy!